Hello viewers, welcome to Tech Creator Joy. Open your image. Right click and then click warp. Press enter. Press Ctrl T, right click, warp. Press enter. Right click, rasterize layer, lasso tool. Select this area and press delete. Eraser tool. Converted legacy tool preset, art history, and then click 59 number tool. Color balance. Right click, create clipping mask. Press Ctrl E. If you like this tutorial, please subscribe my channel Tech Creator Joy and hit the bell button to watch my new tutorial. Thanks for watching.